Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change password on KuCoin account. It is a very simple step. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the top left, you can see a profile icon. You need to tap over there. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. There you can see the option security. You need to tap over there. Here you can see various options like login password, trading password, phone, email, and many more. We need to tap on the option login password. Now here firstly you need to enter your old password. After that you need to enter the new password that you are about to set and again a new password to confirm it. So firstly you need to enter your old password. If you have forgotten your old password, then you won't be able to change it. After that, you need to enter yourself a new password. Likewise, you need to again confirm the password. After you are done entering, you need to tap on change. Now you can see that the password has been expired and you need to log in once again as we have changed our password. Now all you need to do is tap on login. Now here you need to enter the password that you have created or changed just now. And after that you need to simply tap on login. A verification code will be sent to your email. So make sure to go and check it and enter it. And now you can see that you are logged into your KuCoin account. And this is how you can change password on KuCoin account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.